Students, this is your GK class and we are going to discuss about chapter 21. Today we will discuss chapter 21 and the topic is same word for two different things. Same word for two different things, we are using same word. And what is it called? It is called homographs. Homographs are words with different pronunciation meaning but same spelling. Pronunciation may be same also or different also. Meaning is totally different but spellings are same. These words are called homographs. Here are some examples of homographs. Here you can see the word trunk, and this is the trunk of the elephant. This part is called trunk. And this is the trunk of the tree trunk. Tree is a very big plant. It is having thick trunk. Big and strong plants are called trees with trunk. Now next example is of nut. This is the example of a dry fruit, healthy fruit it is, and this nut we use in furniture or to tighten something in some vehicles, that type of equipments. Okay, so both the nut is having two different meaning. Now see, this is ear. This ear, all of you know, it is our sense organ. And this here is the part of the crop. Next comes tank. Wait. This tank almost all of you have seen on your rooftop, because underground water is taken out and collected in this tank only, and then there is a pipeline in our home and the water is coming through that pipeline in our kitchen, washroom, basin, wherever we need it. And this tank soldiers use. Explosives are filled in that and they use upon their enemies. So both are having two different meaning. Now see, here bat, ball, wicket is given, but together we need this in the game, and the game is cricket. And this insect is also called cricket. All of you have studied about the game. This is a game. We need to play. This is not a game. This is the equipment we need to play the cricket. And this is an insect. Now see, here are again, this is the foot. Okay, and this is the part of our body. And this foot is used for measurement. This is body part. And this foot is used in measuring. Those who are having big scale, that is of 1 foot, where there is 12 inch. Because 12 inch is equal to 1 foot. Now see here, both the things are called plant. But what is the main difference you know? This is also a plant and this is also a plant. This cleans your weight. This cleans our environment. And what does this plant do? It pollutes. How? See, smoke is coming out. With smoke, dust also comes out. So dust and smoke pollutes our atmosphere, and this plant cleans our atmosphere. So it is told that we should plant more and more plants to keep our earth clean. See, both the picture and name of both the picture is crane. This is a bird, lives near the water, and this crane is used to lift up heavy things. Sometimes you would have seen that this crane is carrying the car or jeep, whatever is parked not on the proper place. So people need this crane to do heavy work. And these two are nail. This is our body part. And this nail we used to fix something, especially in the furniture or on the wall also. Sometimes we fix some nail to hang something. Now here you will see some, I have used some homographs in the sentence to differentiate the meaning. Through these sentences you can understand the meaning very nicely. See here, headaches may be sign of stress. And what does this sign means? Signal. You forgot to sign, and this means signature. What we do on the paper or sometimes in your copies, that is signature. And this is sign. Sometimes when you fell sick, by your face only we identify. This tie, both the spellings are same, but this tie is a knot we tie. And this tie is worn on any uniform or on some dresses we wear this necktie. Here see the sentence. He had to tie her hands together. And I wear a shirt and a tie at work. So two different meanings are shown. Here see both the watch. I like to watch news means different, and I glanced at my watch means I saw at my watch. Or I can write my watch is new. My watch is new. And I watch news channel. Next comes firm. I am working for a firm of accountants. This means any institute or that type of thing. And the peaches are still firm. And this firm is a position. See your bat. This bat is a mammal. It is a type of insect. Okay? I am afraid of bats. It hangs in the opposite direction. And it's his first time at bat in the major leagues. Or I like batting. We use bat. I can make the sentence, I use bat to play cricket. Or this is my bat. Here bank. One bank is where we deposit money. And here the bank is the shore, the side. Okay? He jumped in and swam to the opposite bank. Means opposite side he swam. And this bank is the bank where we go, suppose PNB, SBI. These are the banks where we deposit money or take out money. See here, desert. This area of the country is mostly desert. This desert means a land where there is full of sand, no plants, and no sign of life. And camel is called the ship of the desert. And this is, the village was deserted, means it was ruined. And one desert is which we take after our meal. Sometimes we take cake or ice cream as a dessert. That is also spelt same. See here, left. Look left and right before you cross the road. This is the direction which shows the direction. But this is the plain left for the last night. This means to leave. Past tense of leave. Okay? And this is the direction. Now here are some questions and some pictures. You have to take the pictures, choose the correct homographs for this sentences with your pictures. Okay, headaches may be a, and both the sign, which sign is correct? This sign of stress. He had to tie her hands together. And which tie will be? This tie, because this one we need to hang in our neck. We can't use this to tie anything. I glanced at my watch. Here are two full stop. And what watch will be here? This watch. I am afraid of the bat, because no one is afraid of the bat ball or game. But if we see any animals, cockroach, insect, cricket, bat, we start screaming. Always walk on the that side of the road. And all of you are knowing that we should always walk on the left side of the road, and this left is the direction. And this left is the past tense of leave. The train left the station. Now I cut my nail every Sunday, and which nail will be the answer? This nail, because the next nail you can't cut, and this nail we cut every week. I like to play cricket. We like to play this game, cricket. Now we should plant more and more plants. And which plants? These plants, because this gives us life. Purify, gives us food also, water also, fresh air also. Now thank you dear for watching this video. Hope you all will like this video. Thanks.